Tigersgate presents here. We're gonna have the exclusive review on the Tigersgate T180 wide-angle safety mirror. It's a parabolic mirror mounted to the center front of the motorcycle windshield. It gives you a 180-degree field of view back when you're riding a motorcycle or any other vehicles. The front part of the mirror is made of ABS plastic and coated with a planing finish, and the continuous horizontal curve reflects wide coverage for riders. The joints here can be adjusted to different angles. Use the hexagonal screwdriver to tighten it up, and if you don't have one, we have prepared in our offer. Now, mounting pads are also adjustable for any curve of the windshield. Be sure to wipe off the residue with alcohol before sticking to the mirror. Then, dry the windshield with a towel or anything. And here, we prepared a free adhesion promoter as gifts, so be sure to add the offer to your cart. Just spread a promoter evenly on a windshield where you feel happy to mount the mirror, then wait a couple of minutes before the area dries up. Peel off the cover of the mount pads, stick to the windshield, and press it for 10 seconds while the promoter gains its adhesion firmly. Voila! Firm and steady. The mirror comes with 2 stickers that cover the flip side of the windshield where the mount pads stand. You can use them if you like. Now you can adjust the mirror to fit your position. Once you feel happy, then fix the tension using your hexagonal screwdriver. The mirror will stand firmly on your windshield. Thanks for watching. Till the next time. Bye.